In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Accounts Payable Aging Reports in QuickBooks Online. This is a very useful report when you want to see what your business currently owes to vendors and how long those bills have been outstanding. It helps you quickly understand which payables are current, which ones are overdue, and what needs your attention first. The good news is that in QuickBooks Online, finding this report is very simple and only takes a moment. To begin, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of your QuickBooks Online screen and click on Reports. This section is where QuickBooks stores many of the financial and accounting reports you may need for day-to-day bookkeeping, month-end review, or general business planning. Once you open Reports, you'll be able to search for specific reports instead of scrolling through the full list, which saves time and makes the process much easier. Next, go to the search bar in the Reports area and type in Accounts Payable Aging. As you type, QuickBooks will start suggesting matching reports. From those results, select the Accounts Payable Aging Report. Be sure to choose the one that matches what you're looking for so you can review your unpaid vendor balances accurately. After you select it, give QuickBooks a moment to run the report. Depending on the amount of data in the company file, it may load almost instantly or take a few seconds. Once it finishes, the report will appear on your screen, and that's it. You've successfully opened your Accounts Payable Aging Report. From here, you can use the toolbar above the report to make adjustments. This is where you can edit the date ranges and included data so the report reflects exactly what you want to review. For example, you may want to look at a different reporting period or narrow the information shown based on your current needs. Taking a moment to customize the report can make it much more useful, especially if you're reviewing vendor balances for a specific time frame or preparing for payment planning, and that's all there is to it. Once you know where to find it, running the Accounts Payable Aging Report in QuickBooks Online is quick and straightforward. It's a simple but important report that can help you stay on top of unpaid bills and keep your accounts payable organized.